All right, here we go. 8039 knee deep road, our room, our house, our home for the next 2 days here at Margaritaville Resort. The neighborhood looks familiar. That's because we're right across the street from the house we had last year. And I'll link to a home tour of that video, or of that house at the end of this video, sorry. But it's not gonna look too much different because I think these are identical models. In fact, I know they are. But let's go in and check it out because there are definitely some subtle differences that are worth pointing out. So,
door for you.
Thanks, baby. No cute surfboard, kind of beachwood looking bench out here, but that's okay because we didn't use it in the previous place.
The thing I'm actually kind of sad about, I'll say, is that it doesn't have a cute name.
Yeah, there's usually a name, and some do. Like that one's like Ohana something.
That's Ohana House.
Ohana House.
And the one we were originally in was called Champagne something.
Yeah. So here we go. I will say they've upgraded the fridges because last year, if you watched our tour video, somebody had put a big fist in right there. And the couch was really beaten up. Like the arms were really loose in the house across the street last year. I've already tested it. This one seems much sturdier. Other than that, I think the layout is roughly the same. In here, like a nice 50-inch TV. Instead of kind of a regular kitchen table, this is like more bar stool seating. There are some slight imperfections here. I don't think they're as pronounced as the house across the street that we had last year. But, you know, there's just some subtle scuffs in the table and on the bench. There's just some wear and tear, but I think that's to be expected. It's Margaritaville. We're here to party. There is of course, you can't have a Margaritaville cottage without a Margaritaville margarita maker, and we have brought the supplies to utilize that. Yeah, it's nice to see this without a fist in it. Oh, look, and there's already ice in the ice machine. That's good.
We're ready.
Yeah, we are going to go to Chick-fil-A and get some more crushed ice because we're going to be going through it. Over here, we won't be using this, but it is here if you're staying for a long time. Washer and dryer. I've got a laundry basket, ironing, and an ironing table. This, I think, is supposed to be the primary bedroom. This is where we slept last year in the other house. Very similar. In that house, they had a dresser at the foot of the bed. They dispensed with that. But they do have a dresser here. The only other kind of damage I noticed was just it looks like when they moved this or somebody moved it, they scuffed up the wall. But no big deal there. Just a little chip or two in the furniture.
I will say that's a very pointy corner. I'm gonna have a bruise.
Yeah, I don't know. Again,
I already walked
the bed's a little scuffed up, but
it's fine.
the same parrot-clad bedspread. I like it. I like the Land Shark surfboard. And then
let me grab this for you.
Yeah, there's an emergency alarm for the pool.
Always have to hit this pool safety alarm.
And then you have about 10 seconds to get out before an alarm goes off. We've already heard it repeatedly in other houses.
Deploy.
This is why we're here. I'd say it's like a 12 by 10 pool maybe. It's big enough. It's deep. It's got a 5-foot deep end, 3 feet in the shallow end, and then there's a hot tub. We won't be using that. I did notice that I tried turning on the timer to have the bubbles running, and it looks like the hot tub is not functioning in this unit. So we will say something about that. Again, it's not going to impact our stay because I'm already sweating, to be honest with you. You have some nice picnic table chairs out here, a couple of loungers out here, and then the amount of space you get is actually huge as I traverse the pool. But like you can walk all back here, which is great for Molly because she has room to run around. But look at this, you have like a backyard. And this is more actual property real estate than we have in our house a few miles from here. This is great. Obviously, the pool equipment they got hidden back here, some banana trees. The one thing we do lose with this house that we had in the other one across the street was some element of privacy. You know, there's neighbors there, but nobody's out here right now. So, you know, I don't know what people are doing. They're probably at the theme parks. I think these homes are so cute. I really like this neighborhood.
I love it.
Yeah, the bang for the buck, and we'll mention the price at the end of the video in our main video. Well, let's just say right now, how much are these?
It was under $1,000, but close.
For 2 nights.
Yes.
Yeah, so total $1,000.
900-ish.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the exact price.
Okay, we'll get that in later. But when you compare that to, you know, $1,000 a night for the Polynesian, and you're just getting a room, and you're not getting a house, you're not getting a private pool, I think there's some value here. We're right across the street from Walt Disney World. A grill to use. We did bring some patties. I think we'll be doing that. So yeah, this is definitely
Let's go upstairs.
the main attraction. Let's go upstairs and check it out.
There's more.
But wait, there's more.
more.
Again, there's the button to push it
I didn't
in.
do that on purpose.
It's a smart deal. Florida actually mandates that those are in here, so we can prevent child drownings, which is a good thing. The bathroom, pretty straightforward. There's a walk-in shower down here. It's actually not, it's still technically a walk-in. There's a little dip.
It's a walk-in and it's a step down.
Yeah, slight step down. And then just, there's no rain head or handheld in here, but I remember the water pressure being pretty good in here. Looks like you get some simple products, body wash, shampoo, whatnot. And then a pretty basic closet with only 4 hangers. So if you're hanging your clothes, be advised. And I can tell you, spoiler alert, there's only about 3 hangers upstairs.
Oh.
I already checked that out.
Fine.
I would have liked the floor plan. I do think the floor plan's a little weird in that, like, you do have to, like, come through this bedroom to get to the pool. I think I said this in last year's video for the other house.
Oh, you wished it wasn't your bedroom?
Yeah, it's just kind of a weird design feature.
Okay.
They did their best, but look, I mean, it's a fully loaded kitchen. You've got a stove,
It's nice.
a microwave, a dishwasher. The kitchens do come fully stocked with, you know, plates and bowls, although it looks like there's only 2 bowls and 2 plates. There's some cups, margarita glasses.
There's only 2 of us.
Yeah, so for us, it's not a problem. You came here with the full family. It might be a bigger issue. Oh, there's some more glasses. So they got you, oh, look, more margarita. Well, you're well supplied on margarita glasses, because I think that's about 10 I've counted
Oh, nice.
now. So their priorities are in the right place. Look, plenty of, that's oddly frightening.
Oh, a lot of knives.
Yeah, wow. They've got you covered, so no more comments on that. And then a staircase going up to the 2nd floor. And I think we're going to sleep up here this time around. We did not do that last time around. There's just a hall closet here with plenty of space. I think that's the HVAC. Won't even bother opening that. And here is the 2nd bedroom. Again, I don't know if it's primary or not. The bathroom on this floor is a tub, which is great if you have kiddos. Shower curtain. Pretty straightforward.
Yes.
Beautiful wife, you're doing a great job. And then more product up here. We got you covered on towels. There's a beach towel. You probably use it at the pool. That was an issue last year.
I'll tell you, I am going to use the shower downstairs.
Are you? Another,
I like
yeah,
that.
ditto. I like a walk-in too.
Yeah.
Another, I think it's a 50-inch TV up here. More drawers and shelves to put your stuff on. And then a closet that's very similar to the one downstairs. 4 hangers. 5.
5.
Whoa. That's pretty crazy.
It's fine. We'll be living in our swimsuits.
That's right. And then up here, this is an improvement over last year, I'll say that. You have a patio that overlooks the neighborhood. And unlike last year, we'll have to check. I can't see from here. So again, that's the house right there that we had last year. But on the patio last year, there was no furniture. This one has a couple of like bar stool chairs and a high table. This is nice.
Really
We might
nice,
utilize
especially
this.
for like, you know, we get those Florida showers, so it'll be nice to sit out here if it's raining and
Yeah.
hang out, you know?
Yeah, it's a nice touch. Obviously, you can pull right up to your cottage. There's our blazer. They said it's at max capacity, but I think that more applies to the hotel because it doesn't feel that busy here right now. So there you go. We tried to check in. I think we said this earlier. 9:50. We actually. What time is it right now? What time are we doing this tour?
It's now 3:52.
Okay, so
So we still got in before 4.
we
is nice.
we did.
Small fun.
It was overall pretty smooth. Do you have anything to say about the check-in process?
It was fine. I was a little disappointed. It was quick, despite what I walked into, but I'm a little disappointed, like checking in at 9:50, having to then come back and get all the things. I feel like you should have just given me the stuff and activated it.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't have had to go
Wait in
stand
line.
another
Yeah.
line, do the same thing. I mean, like they offered me the H2O passes again. They offered, you know, like they did all the things that they had already done.
Right.
So it was kind of like,
In their defense, I will say,
duplicative
because we had
effort.
Molly, we couldn't really use it, but they did give us the amenities card, so we were free to use the pool as of 9
right.
when we checked in
Perfect.
this morning.
Right.
So there was that, and we could have gone to H2O,
Let's go
but
inside. It's
this
hot.
weekend's really for her.
Yes.
And Amber. It's her birthday. Amber wanted to spend as much time with this old lady as possible, so that's exactly what we're doing.
Molly loves a pool, so
Yeah.
that was the goal. Like,
This is a nice, spacious bedroom. I like it up
oh,
here.
yeah, I do too. It's lovely. It's the AC's working.
The AC's on
I
fleek.
just want to know if that margarita machine works now.
We will test that out. So we're going to go unpack the car, get started. This video will be a supplement to our main video for the weekend. So this will probably go up first. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to that to check that out. That'll be up. And you can see all of our adventures and staying here. And you'll see this little lady who's spelunking under the bed right now. You'll see her adventures in the pool, and they are worth watching. It's a good time.
Oh, Molly loves it.
Yeah. Any other final thoughts on the house? I'm excited to be
No,
here.
I'm so excited. I wanted a different house, which we got.
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised it is not much different at all.
Right.
And I'm a little bummed it doesn't have a name, but it's fine. I think we're gonna have such a
It's the
great
Magical McD party house.
time. That's right.
All right. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to unload the car and get this party started. Until next time, you guys, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.